Well, guys, I'm back again. As promised, I was gonna fix this one up. That engine was locked. I started working on it, and it finally worked. Ooh, that's not good. I'll try to get it for you. Try to start off on me. It's tried to shut off on me. Oh. Alright, let's get the old one. Put you back. Over here. I'll show you guys what the old one looks like. Alright. Look at this. Look at this thing. This thing hasn't started up in 5 years. I just got it to work again yesterday. Been working on it. Alright, Alright, y'all ready? This thing can move. There we go. Yep. Put you back in your grave. Alright. Yep. She started up pretty well. Alright, let's go for this one next. Up. One more time, baby. Come on. Up. Alright, guys, ready? I might be able to start up both of them at the same time. I'm gonna try. Well, they're both alive. One more time for me, baby. Well, enjoy the video, guys. Hope y'all enjoyed, and I'm out.
Peace.